It's Ron from ron@dj.com. So here go for another video and new room tayo ngayon pero we have to fix this one. Pinadala sa atin ng Huawei ang first nila na Nova Y smartphone, and happy to know na bumalik na sila sa under 10,000 peso price range, which is the Huawei Nova 970. So nakuha na natin yung official commercial unit, and for sure matutuwa kayo dito kasi with this huge almost 7-inch display and 6,000 mAh battery. First time yata sa Nova series na nakita tayo ng 6,000 mAh battery. So ito, napakita natin yung official box ng Huawei Nova Y70. And syempre, pinadala sa atin to ng Huawei Philippines to test this out before its commercial release, and nakuha nat ang available for the Philippine release is 4 gigabytes ng RAM and 128 gigabytes storage, and ang color niya is crystal blue, and syempre dual SIM. And syempre, kasama sa package itong TPU case, SIM ejector tool, and quick start guide. And although nila din mapakita sa camera, pero meron itong ang isa sa mga headliners din ng Huawei Nova Y70 is the 22-watt quick charge tech ng Huawei. So it will give some justice to its huge 6,000 mAh battery inside. And eto na, may pabalat pa ang Huawei Nova Y70 na merong 6,000 mAh battery, tapos 6.75 inch Huawei full view display, tapos meron siyang 48 megapixel na AI triple camera and 120 gigabytes of storage. Syempre, hindi kayo problema sa apps kasi nandyan lang ang Huawei App Gallery. Meron dito sa Huawei Nova Y70. And ito yung itsura ng crystal blue ng Huawei Nova Y70. So makikita mo na headliner to yung kanyang triple main cameras na meron 48 megapixel primary sensor, and syempre this Huawei branding, this one, and looks familiar. Parang it reminds me a bit of Huawei Nova 8. Pero it's more stylish to my liking, especially it is on crystal blue. Ganda niya sa likod. Tapos syempre sa taas is merong pinhole or noise cancelling microphone. Tapos sa bottom is merong USB type C port. Tapos merong pinhole microphone, 3.5 audio jack, and the single speaker. Sa left portion is makita mo yung dual SIM setup. Pero nung check natin, it is a hybrid dual SIM setup. So ibig sabihin, you can put one SIM card and one micro SD, or you can put two dual SIMs or two SIMs at the same time. Tapos sa kanan naman is merong volume rocker and the power unlock button, which also works as the side fingerprint sensor. And ito na yung itsura pag nakaharap sa iyo yung Huawei Nova Y70, which is 6.75 inch na full view display, and syempre it is on EMUI 12. So if you already have a previous Huawei app gallery powered na smartphone ng Huawei, syempre familiar na sa itong pag pinag-pull down tayo sa control panel. Tapos nandito yung mga apps on this one. Naglagay tayo ng FX player just for testing. And of course, syempre, you can put this one na pwede ka maglagay ng app drawer. And syempre, get familiarized sa camera, syempre, merong photo, video, portrait, night shots, aperture. You can go for 2 meters and up. And syempre, meron pang other options like yung pro mode, yung slow mo, panorama, light painting, time lapse, movie picture, stickers, and high res, which is yun yung talagang magagamit mo yung talaga yung 48 megapixel na shooter. And when we check this one is nakakatawa kasi for this price range na hinihingi ng Huawei, which under 10,000 pesos, is it can shoot up to 10 1080p at 60 fps. So ako mahilig kasi ako mag-shoot ng mga 60 fps videos, lalo yung mga preset or mga reset na YouTube clips ko or videos. Gustong gusto ko talaga mag 60 fps kasi it brings more detail. And syempre to cap this off, makita nyo naman na meron nakalagay taga na Huawei Nova Y70 and EMUI 12 version ito. So 12.0.0 and currently uh, the first few hours na check namin ito is working fine. And syempre confident tayo na with the 6,000 mAh battery, malamang hindi na talaga ako magdadala ng power bank on this one when I having a long day sa labas. And that was it for the Huawei Nova Y70 na currently is priced at 9,999 pesos. Currently, as we shoot on this one, is available, it's already on pre-order at your known online and official Huawei store. And sa mga magpe-pre-order na ito, malapit yung freebie na ito. Meron siyang Huawei Band 4E and other freebies on this one. So far, sulit yung pagkaka-check natin itong Huawei Nova Y70. So that's it. This is Ron from ronrontatg.com. Please check our social media at the description below and subscribe to this YouTube channel. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching.